Tree Hill Park.
Today we're checking out Tree Hill Nature Center in Arlington in Jacksonville, Florida. It's just a little place with hiking trails and animals from what I understand. And I haven't been here in probably 40 years, which is crazy. And I don't remember it at all, except for the fact that I know I liked it a lot when I was little. But we're gonna check it out today again for nostalgia purposes. So we just checked in to Tree Hill and she gave us this little map. It's got a lot of trails and animals, and there's an exhibit upstairs we're about to go check out. But note that the trails close at 4 p.m. So let's get on it. How would you feel if that guy was coming at you in the woods?
I would not feel. I guess it wouldn't be as bad as that guy coming at you.
Look, I had to pet him. I've never pet a bear before. He's kind of cute though.
Yeah, until he strikes. This looks like straight out of the 70s or something. I bet this was here when you were a kid. This is cool. Look at that deer laying down.
Looks like a pregnant deer.
What's that? Dinosaur?
Woolly mammoth. I don't know.
You guys running into one of these guys?
Yeah. Look, the skull of a giant beaver. Wow. That'd be scary to run into him, wouldn't it? See these guys? We've got a river otter and a gray fox, great horned owl and an osprey, and another red-tailed hawk. And all of these guys are indigenous, I can never say that word, to Florida, I'm quite sure. That's why you're showing us this.
Maybe we'll spot some real ones out there.
Look at that bobcat, it's so cute. I love bobcats.
Oh yeah, I've never heard that too.
It's a wild boar.
Yeah. Is that Bucky?
Oh, what is that?
That's not a beaver, is it? It's Bucky. That dude real?
Yeah, it's a Florida soft-shelled turtle.
Look at this guy. He looks like he's like a pig or something.
He's cute.
Don't want to run into him in the wild.
There's a skunk in here somewhere. This strike. Oh, there he is. He's asleep. He's so cute.
Don't stir him up. Do not see the alligators.
A rattlesnake conservancy, but it's closed right now.
Yeah.
There's a discovery room though.
Let's go check it out. This is a snapping turtle? Look at this guy. He's got stuff growing on his head.
Oh wow.
Is that his hair?
I don't know. Looks like maybe a fungi of some sort.
I've actually caught one of these on a fishing pole by accident one time. Bigger than that.
Oh geez. Pine snake. These guys are awesome. They're not poisonous. Corn snake somewhere in here, but I don't see him.
He's in the corner. Look at this guy. Turn around. Look.
Oh.
He doesn't want to be filmed. Sorry, dude. Am I catching you at a bad time? He's like, oh, man.
No photos.
No photos. No, stop it.
Hilarious.
No photos. No, I cannot be seen. Oh, now he's cussing at me.
I
Look
know.
at him. All right, I'll leave you alone, dude.
The Florida king snake.
Is that poisonous?
Nope. These are the best pest control you'll ever have. Growing up in Florida, I'm pretty familiar with all the venomous snakes in this area.
Boxes of interesting
Just
items.
touch me.
There's a pelt.
See you later, dude.
All right.
Is that a real owlhead?
I don't know. Let's go check the nature trail, huh?
Here's a chart of the venomous snakes of the southeast. Copperheads are probably the most common ones. Cottonmouths, which we call water moccasins in these parts. Coral snakes, of course. There's an old saying that I learned growing up. Red and yellow, kill a fellow. And then you got your rattlesnakes. They got both timber and cane break rattlesnakes around here, and the most common ones are pygmies and eastern diamondbacks. Got to be careful because they blend in well with their environments.
All right, we're gonna go check out some of these trails, see what's out here. Some tortoises. What do we got over here?
Chickens.
Chickens. He's got an itchy head. Look at these guys. They got their own little bridge. Look at this.
Ooh, this is an awesome place to live if you're a
If
chicken.
I was a chicken, look at that little chicken playground right here. This guy's got it made.
He's scratching.
Hard at work. Oh, look at these guys. Alligators. American alligator.
Hopefully they get a bigger cage once they start to grow up.
Let's check out the Happy Hen Hotel over here. Look at this guy. He doesn't even need a cage.
Oh, there's goats.
Hey, dude.
You're eating Spanish moss. There's got to be something more tasty than that out here for you.
I don't care.
What's that dude doing? Trying to get out?
This guy found something on the outside of the fence. Dude, what are you doing, man? You got a hose around your neck, got your head out the gate. What's out there? Something good?
Hi, buddy. You gonna let me pet you? Can I pet you? No? Not unless I have food.
No. Cool goatee, man. All right, now eat the shad. Itchy chin. Itchy chin. Oh, I'll let you do your thing. So, moving on. This guy's just hanging out. He doesn't need a cage.
Be careful, they peck.
He looks mean.
Can I pet you? I see a tail wagging. Can I pet you?
Look at these guys up here. Look,
Oh,
they have their own
wow.
little goat
That's awesome.
bridge. Their own little goat bridge up here. That's cool.
That is really cool. Look at him. I'm gonna head over the boardwalk trail now and see what there is to see.
Looks like there's a river or something down here on the map, so It'd be cool. You can see some fish or gators or something. Lots of trees.
Instagram. Probably look down in here and see some snakes or something.
Nice
Little
creek. I never would have thought this was here in the middle of Arlington. You don't think there's any monkeys in here, do you? You hear cool birds chirping and lots of nature.
You definitely never know. You're in the middle of Arlington in Jacksonville. Because if you know anything about Arlington, I hate to say it, but I grew up here, and it's definitely not the same that it used to be. And gunshots are more common in Arlington than nature sounds at this point. So this is definitely a nice little retreat to come check out if you're in the area.
There's an amphitheater over there.
You want to check it out?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Did Iron Maiden or Judas Priest has ever played here?
You would know if they did, I'm sure.
Scream for me, Arlington! Scream for me, Tree Hill!
Scream for me, Tree Hill. Alright, Tree Hill! How are you people? Back to picnic! Thank you, good night.
I smell cedar. It smells good. You smell?
This is a neat little picnic area, like in between the palm trees.
Quite pleasant.
Look at that.
They even have a little community garden where they grow food for pantries. That's pretty cool.
Cool. Community garden. Let's check out a brochure. Nothing in there. It just sticks. Members and guests only. Butterfly garden.
See any?
I do not see any.
These look like Boston fern plants that I would love to have all over my huge front porch whenever I win the lottery.
It's a good place to take your dog if you live in the area.
Or your girlfriend.
I'd prefer to take my cat. Appears to be a trail to nowhere. Look at this guy. And go swinging through the jungle. Tarzan. Is that a?
It's amazing how clear the water is.
Yeah. Is that a petunia? Oh, hello there.
How do you get up there?
I don't like to see him jump up on the wall.
Me too. Let's do that
How's
too.
he off now? He's just short.
Who's that guy? I remember him.
No, you have beef everything or animal here. Is that brown one the oldest one?
There he goes.
Oh,
I didn't see it all.
I never knew goats were such good climbers.
Peter, look, turtle. Peter, look.
Activate the reel, they're moving.
Must be something good to eat on the roof.
Peter, turtle.
Yeah, some of them.
Some tortoises. There's our little hole.
Do you have any water?
Where do you guys drink water at? There's their lettuce plate. It looks like they munched it all.
Should I give them some water?
See, garden is cave. Lazy day in the tortoise bin. We found an owl. Look at this guy. It's an owl. See him? Hard to see through the fence, but he's up there.
See him. He's so cute. Hi. Wise old owl.
So what'd you think of Tree Hill?
I'll give it a thumbs up.
It's a pretty cool little place to come.
Definitely worth $5.
Yeah.
See some cute animals, hike a few trails,
Yeah.
spend a little time in nature in the city. Why not?
Hang out with some goats, see some tortoises, some chickens.
Just be sure to bring your own water. It's really hot.
Yeah, sure could use a nice cold lemonade right now.
I think that's going to do it. I think we saw it all. So if you liked this episode, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you the next time on My Day Off. Bye, guys.
Bye.